What's up, fellow YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to customize your Ableton automation tool into whatever the heck you want. Let's get it. Alrighty, so what you want to do is go over to your Ableton application in your applications folder if you're on Mac. Go right click it and click show package contents. And you'll see all these PNG files in the resources file located within the contents package. And pretty much every single one of these PNG files, I've tested most of them, you can just replace them with literally any PNG file that you like. So today we're just going to take this one and replace it with this PlayStation 5. Because why not? So main thing you want to do, just in case you want to ever go back and you're tired of having a PlayStation as your cursor tool, duplicate the file, create a copy, and drag it into like a temporary folder where you keep that stuff safe. I just called it Ableton temp stuff. You can call it whatever the heck you want. And now that you've got the copy in there, you want to make sure and grab the name of the PNG file, because Ableton uses the naming scheme to correspond with some other stuff. So before you delete it, copy the name and bada boom, delete it. Then take your PNG file, throw it in that same folder with the resources, rename it the name of that previous thing, whatever you're doing, and bada boom, that looks good. Then what you want to do is launch Ableton. And once your session's open, you should be able to see your ridiculous picture setup. For me, it's an automation tool, so I have to go over here, turn on the drawing cursor, and I have a freaking PlayStation 5 as my cursor now. So basically all I'm trying to do with this tutorial is tell you that you can go into the back end of Ableton and customize it however you want. You have to be careful though, because you can definitely screw some stuff up, and I don't know how helpful Ableton's customer support would be if you needed help with that. So be careful with this, but I think it's super funny, and you can literally change it to whatever you want. Let's go ahead and do another one. This time we're going to start from scratch, and if you don't have a PNG file, you have a JPEG, and you want to cut it out, it's good to have a program like Photoscape or Photoshop that can just go in and remove all the extra pixels you don't need. So now that I got my PNG, I'm going to go ahead and save it into that folder. Bada boom. And I'm going to repeat the same process I did earlier, copying the name of that PNG file, deleting it, and then throwing my new PNG file in here and renaming it the cursor. And once that's done, I can go over to Ableton. It'll still be on your previous PNG file, so you need to restart it, which I'll do right now. And now that it's restarted, you can see that my new PNG file is loaded, and I have a little gun that I can do my automation with, which is pretty weird looking, and you know, take it as you want. It's kind of a fun thing you can do. So basically, Ableton is super customizable. You just have to go into the package contents and replace whatever you want to replace, and you can make your whole Ableton look super unique to you as an artist or producer or whatever you do. So I hope this was entertaining, and if you ended up doing it and replaced certain images on your Ableton setup, let me know what you did, because I'm curious to find out what other things could be customized. I haven't really dove too deep into this yet, and hit me up with any questions. Peace out.